I'm supposed to have a meeting now with a graphic designer I just hired that is going to be working with me for the most part of this year, God's willing. And it just occurred to me that I've not showed up on this channel in about 4 months. I think when I checked, it was about 71 days or so. And I feel like this is a new year. I want to show up better this year. In fact, bought. I'm currently recording this video with like over $1,000 camera that I just got so that I can show up better this year. Because I have a lot to share that is going to really help us grow together. And if you're a graphic designer, then you want to stick around this channel. You don't have to be a graphic designer, right? If you're whether you're if you're a remote worker to have content for you, if you are just somebody that is passionate about growth, you need to also stick around. And let me say this, that if you are watching this video now, I'm sure you would also want to subscribe to my second channel, because on that other channel I have plans to share vlogs, my day-to-day life, how I combine school, sharing my experience with how I combine school with work, and just sharing some behind the scenes that I might not be able to share on this channel, because this year I'm tilting towards separating the content I create for both channels. I want the content on this channel to be strictly designed, AI, just things that are strictly educational, right? And all of the other stories, and then maybe like sharing some of my experiences might be on that other channel. I can share my experiences that has to do with graphic design on this channel. Maybe like sharing things like how you can get clients, client acquisition, or just sharing things that would really help designers. But any other thing that is not design, that is not specific to just designers, or that has nothing to do with AI, or that has nothing to do with being like educational, right? They are going to be on that other channel. But then, to be on the safe side, it's just best to subscribe to both channels, right? So ensure that you're subscribed to both channels. The link to my second channel will be in the description box. Trust me, there's a lot I have to share for you in this year. There's a whole lot. Last year was mind-blowing. I started last year um um in a way that wasn't so impressive, right? I was almost depressed at some point, but then everything flipped. I became top rated on Upwork. I got a job that is paying me that is paying me like over 7 figures monthly, right? I got different gigs. I work with a top executive at Nvidia. There are a lot of wins that I gathered last year, and I'm so grateful to God, right? And I hope that this year I would share many of the behind the scenes. I will share many of the things that actually helped me get those kind of job as a graphic designer. And trust me, I have a whole lot coming that you do not want to miss. And I want you to stay subscribed, right? Do not miss any video from this channel this year, and share this video with every designer that you know. I'm going to be doing a lot of talking head videos, right? In the past years, I was battling a major insecurity that would not let me show my face, but now we overcame that last year, right? And this year we are going even harder. I have my camera with me. I have my mic here, right? There's a whole lot. Okay, there. I have my mic here. There's a lot. Just stick around and then grab your popcorn, because this year it's about to be a ride. We are growing together this year, and I'm going to carry you along. I will hold your hand and drag you. We are going together, and I'm going to be as transparent as possible. I'm going to be sharing everything that I know will help you grow as much as possible, as much as I can. I'm going to be sharing every single thing that will help you grow this year, whether you're a graphic designer or not. Like I said, ensure that you are subscribed to both of my channels, or to my two channels, so that you do not miss out on any value at all, right? So that you do not miss out on any of my videos. And I will also advise that you turn on the notification bells on both channels. Turn on the notification bells on both channels. If you do not know how to do that, You can let me know in the comment section. I will guide you. It is not difficult. It is just go to the channel, click on the name. Once you get there, you will see that bell icon, right? You will see that bell icon. Just tap on that bell icon, and then you can select you should get like a dialog box that will come pop up, and then you just select that. You get notifications for all my content. I'm going to be dropping a lot of shorts. I'm going to be dropping a lot of long videos. I'm already trying to work with a video editor, but I do not know how that will go yet, right? But then, whichever case it is, whether I get a video editor or not, be expecting quality content from this channel this year. I'm going to see you in the next video. Happy New Year, and it's going to be an amazing year for us. See you in my next video.